lait bro sipat di pinang subhai pi channel jungi minta gasngi tila da pide ke padang Thymmai agre channel sngoba kershan nam yangi daga ba share like but subscribe. Applications are invited from the eligible candidates who are citizens of India for the recruitment of the following posts on contractual basis. The post is purely temporary and on contractual basis for the period of 1 year and extendable after review on the satisfactory performance. Name of post: Junior Divisional Assistants. The number of posts: 1. Qualification: BCom or MCom or equivalent course. Hands in accounting. Should have experience in MS Office and Tally. Minimum experience of 24 months. The remuneration or pay: 20,000 per month. The age limit: the candidate should not have crossed 32 years of age, relaxable 37 years in case of ST or SC, as on 1st January 2022. The last date for application will be on the 17th October 2022. The general information: eligible and suitable candidates should apply online through the Google form link given in the website of the State Resources Center on Disability Affairs Civil Hospital Shillong. Number 2. There shall be a process of scrutiny and screening after which the application of the eligible and suitable candidates released in the final list displayed in the website should be produced at the time of interview. The list of the eligible candidates will be displayed on the website of the undersigned on the 17th October 2022. No separate call letter shall be sent. Number 3. No TADA will be paid to the applicant for attending the interview. Number 4. Candidate must be domiciled residents of the states of Meghalaya. The voter ID of the candidate must be uploaded and presented at the time of interview. The date of interview will be notified in the website. The candidates are requested to check the website from time to time.